there's no reflection on the ground off this one little bulb. And then you come around this side, see it's shining right there on the side. Again, nothing over there. See if it makes any difference when placing the Sidemarker turn bulbs on my 2002 Sierra Denali with Quadrasteer, which is why it has side markers, and that is nasty. There's a little hole in here in the top which let water get in there and then went into the housing and into the bulb. You can see all that corrosion and into the socket. Going to clean that up with electrical parts cleaner and some picks and hope it's all fine, and then replace them with these LEDs. You go underneath the truck, you'll see these clips right here. You just push on this and push out. And it's done. You got it? Don't, no, we're not putting it back. You gotta take this one out.
Is it red?
Yeah, it's red.
The red?
And then just twist the bulb in the back. Pull it out. Twist the bulb out. The LED lights come with this 3M double-sided tape, which is cut to fit. You need to first apply it to the back side of the LED light. Plug it in to the socket. It doesn't twist into place or anything. Then peel the tape back. Just check this, make sure it works first. A couple of these I had to pry the plugs closer together to make sure they work on the contacts. Then just press it firmly into place on the clean surface. Hold it down for a second. And 3M tape is very strong. It holds a lot of things on, so it should work just fine. Then just repeat for the other 3 marker lights, and now you have all new LED lights, and let's see how they work. Here are the new LED lights installed. You can see they stick out slightly further because the gasket is thicker. There's a thicker rubber. Overall, I think they look good. We'll compare them to the stock side. I needed to replace these because some of the bulbs are out. These are cheap. See, they sit a little more flush. They're clipped in instead of using double-sided tape. They're definitely faded from spending 20 years in the California sun. They sit a little more in, but they have all the little, you know, manufacturer markings on them and all that. Just makes them a little less clean. You can see especially the amber. Try to stay out of light. It's a clearing, very discolored. And again, it's a new LED. And we'll get a little bit of footage at night after this, comparing both sides. Comparison of stock bedside lights to new LEDs. My 2002 Sierra Denali with Quadrasteer. There's the stocks. That one was out, hence why I bought all new lights instead of just replacing the bulbs. Quadrasteers are cool because you get this little light back here. Basically all the lights like a dually because the rear axle is a little wider. And here's the LEDs. Hard to capture, but it's much brighter. Much cleaner. Go back to the stock. And just for fun, I love about them. Headlights, the cab lights, coil hood, billet grill, supercharged all-wheel drive, 6-liter. You can see, like, look there. This is a little more in the sun because the sun's setting, but